Hey, what's going on guys? It's Vinology and today we are comparing the Vivo V20 against the Motorola Moto G9 Plus. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Talking about the availability, the Vivo V20 was announced recently and will be releasing this month in October, while the Motorola Moto G9 Plus was released on 7th September and you can buy it right now. Both the Vivo V20 and the Moto G9 Plus support three bands which are GSM, HSPA and LTE. There is a massive difference in the thickness here. The Vivo V20 is 7.4mm thick while the Moto G9 Plus is 9.7mm thick. It's the same situation in the weight too, as the Vivo weighs 171 grams while the Moto weighs 223 grams. The Vivo has a 6.44-inch AMOLED display while the Moto has a 6.81-inch IPS LCD display. Both the Vivo and Moto have the same resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and both the phones have 60Hz displays with 409 pixels per inch and 386 pixels per inch respectively. Moto also has HDR10 support. The Vivo V20 has a slightly faster Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor while the Moto G9 Plus have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730. Both the Vivo and Moto have Adreno 618 GPU. The difference is not much, but it's there, so it's surely worth mentioning. For software, Vivo runs its FunTouch OS 10.5 on top of Android 10 while Moto has a stock Android 10. The Vivo V20 has two variants with 8GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 256GB combination. The Moto G9 Plus on the other hand has a single 4GB plus 128GB combination. Both the phones have UFS 2.1 storage speeds. Both the phones have the expandable storage too, but the Vivo has a dedicated one while the Moto has a shared one. The Vivo V20 has a triple camera setup at the back with a 64MP main camera, an 8MP ultra wide and a 2MP depth sensor. Moto G9 Plus on the other hand has a quad camera setup at the back with a 64MP main camera, an 8MP ultra wide, a 2MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. Both the Vivo and Moto can shoot 4K at 30fps. However, while Vivo can shoot 1080p at 30 and 60fps, Moto can shoot 1080p at 30, 60 and 120fps. Vivo V20 has a 44MP camera in the front while the Moto G9 Plus has a 16MP camera in the front. Vivo can shoot 4K at 30 and 1080p at 30fps while Moto can shoot only 1080p at 30fps. The Vivo V20 has a 4000 mAh battery while the Moto G9 Plus has a 5000 mAh battery. Vivo and Moto both can charge quite quickly at 33 watts and 30 watts respectively. The Vivo V20 has additional features like the under-display optical fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC support, USB 2.2 Type-C port with OTG support, and various sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity and compass. Moto G9 Plus 2 has additional features like the side-mounted fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC support, USB 2.2 Type-C port with OTG support, and various sensors like accelerometer, gyro and proximity. The Vivo V20 has two variants where the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant is priced at 26,999 INR and the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant is priced at 29,999 INR. The Moto G9 Plus has a single 4GB RAM and 128GB storage variant and it is priced at 22,999 INR. Both the Vivo and Moto are good phones here and are stacked with features. However, as I have said before, here Vivo is a bit overpriced than the competition. Also, Moto is priced a bit higher too. Either way, both are great buy, and if you want a clean Android experience, choosing Moto will be a better choice. So that's it guys, that was the on-paper specifications comparison for the Vivo V20 and the Moto G9 Plus. Let us know in the comments below about what you think about either of the phones, and also like the video if you think it deserves one, and get subscribed so that you don't miss any videos in the future. Until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.